Hey Namaste guys, Chopra here, and today I welcome you in the new episode of Tech Speaks. So let's begin. The first news comes from Pubg Mobile. Pubg Mobile is all set to release its new 0.19.0 update, and it is set to release a new map, the Livic map, in this new update. This map will feature 15 minutes quick matches with 40 players each, and it is said to have different locations such as the volcano and the waterfall. The waterfall is expected to have better interaction with players, and it is set to release two new guns, the P90 submachine gun and the MK12 sniper rifle. The next news comes from the Government of India. The Government of India has recently banned 59 apps from the Google Play Store and the App Store. These 59 apps, which you can see on the screen here, have been recently banned under the Section 69A of the Information Technology Act. These applications, which are heavily reliant on the Indian market, have been banned, and this has imposed heavy economical pressure on the Chinese companies. The next news comes from the MediaTek company. The MediaTek company has recently launched its two new processors, the MediaTek Helio G25 and the MediaTek Helio G35. These processors have been aimed towards the gaming phones and for the budget phones. The next update comes from the Realme. The Realme has recently announced the launch of its new phone, the Realme CE11, which is expected to have the MediaTek Helio G35 processor. It is expected to have a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging, and the phone is expected to have a 6.55-inch Full HD display. The phone, expected to come with a 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel selfie camera, is expected to be launched soon. The next update comes from Facebook. Facebook is now working on new VR glasses which are compact, thinner and lighter. These VR glasses are expected to be the shape of normal sunglasses, and they can be worn easily on outings. The next update is about the Realme Narzo 10. The Realme has recently launched its new smartphone, the Realme Narzo 10, which went on sale today at 12 p.m. This phone, featuring a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display and with a massive 5000 mAh battery, is one of the best budget phones of this year. The phone, priced at 11,999 INR for the 128GB storage and 6GB RAM variant.